You know, from I was a young girl, I never see the beach like this. I never see it really still like this. We all hear some in our earlier days that the sea going to come in, but we never believed that it would come in like this. We step up at the sun like here and step in the sea because there is no beach.
As a fisherman, I never said it look, but this is the further out, you know. These buildings, we used to the couple chain away from these buildings. So the sea come over more now. So we'd have to say a global warming, say just come up more, sea rise more.
You see this building right behind you, when it was built, it was further from the sea. And if you look at the manhole that's right there, you see that the sea take it off from the building completely and it's now removed.
Do you notice how close the beach is to me? Is it a case of nature taking its course?
To explore these and other questions, the National Environment and Planning Agency NEPA held a special consultative meeting with residents of Alligator Pond, located on the coastal border of Manchester and St. Elizabeth.
We want to have some exchanges to discuss the present issues, the present conditions, the causes of the erosion, and importantly, speak to some possible solutions going forward. This is really a sensitization as we continue the dialogue.
And NEPA opened the discussion with a worrisome point of fact. Many coastal areas in Jamaica are experiencing beach erosion, with the problem occurring increasingly across the south coast in places like Alligator Pond and Black River.
There is no one cause of this phenomenon. In different places, it might be a multiplicity of causes, right? Both natural and man-made. We've probably heard about climate change. We've probably heard about that climate change and sea level rise.
Experts tell us that climate change leads to increasing temperatures, what we refer to as global warming. This in turn causes regions known to be extremely cold to get warm, melting ice and causing sea levels to rise. Additionally, with these extreme temperatures, over the years Jamaica has experienced a number of hurricanes which have caused a big impact on our coastlines, damaging reefs that are critical to coastal protection.
Fishermen will be familiar with the fact that the reef protects the shoreline. Right? It acts to break the waves, and it acts as the source in a lot of instances for the sediment that comes onto the beach and supplies the beach with sand.
Then there are the economic and social consequences of damaged reefs.
Yeah, because we have a local fish stall, and so we have to move it off of the sea, so we have to move it and carry it further on the land. And right now, anywhere we are going to come to it.
This is where we get our livelihood. This is the source of sending our children to school and doing our economic business.
Coming out of the community consultations, NEPA and residents have put forward a range of suggestions to address the situation. Among them, the erection of artificial breakwaters, structures designed to protect gently sloping beaches and prevent coastal erosion. Other options are also being explored.
Proposals are being considered as we speak for possible works to address the problem. Right, so that proposal is being prepared now, and we would expect that following that the works or the recommendations from that study would point to the relevant solutions.
Residents have meanwhile been reminded of the role they have to play to prevent the situation from getting worse.
We heard that you have stopped dynamiting for fish, so that is good, because that needs to stop right along the south coast, whether it's Black River, Old Harbour Bay, Portland Bight. That is the message that we're sending out, that needs to stop, right? And we're taking some serious action against that.
In the meantime, Alligator Pond residents agree NEPA's decision to engage them was a solid move.
It was good, and it gave us a hope It is interesting, and it has brought some kind of hope to us that we can restore the shoreline at some point in time.
If we are not properly educated concerning the marine life, where we kill off the eggs, where we kill the turtles, where we kill the protected species, we kill the reefs, we kill the life, and we kill our own livelihood. So we are our worst enemy. So the government, along with the citizens and along with the police, as we come together as one unit, we can make it better.